Hello everyone, we are here today at the Villas at Disneyland Hotel to do a full room tour of a Duo Studio Preferred. This room does sleep up to 2 adults and has an okay amount of space for everyone.
These rooms are very economical when it comes to points compared to the other villas here, and the preferred rooms have a balcony, which we're really excited about.
Let's go check it out.
As we first come into the room, over on the right, you can see we've got a decorative full-length mirror over here. And then on your left, you have the bathroom for the room. It's actually a pretty decent size, but everything is all in one room here. You've got a pocket door to close it off from the rest of the room, and there is a lock on that. We've got a single vanity in here with a decent amount of counter space over on the right there. There's also some storage down below where you'll find your hair dryer. We've got a makeup mirror on the wall. And then we have our lighted mirrors, and they even have that little design in there with the Jungle Book theme going on here. Our toilet's over here in this corner, and then we have some Jungle Book artwork there on the wall. And then we have a shower in here that's a walk-in shower, pretty decent size. You can see there's a fair amount of space in there. You have a bench over on that wall, and then there's some refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. We have two shower heads. One is the detachable shower head, and the other is the rainfall style shower head. Now as we head out into the main room, the first thing you'll see is this countertop slash dresser that runs almost the width of the room here. You've got 3 drawers here for storage, and they're actually pretty good size. Decent amount of space in there. And there's also a cabinet next to these where you'll find your in-room safe. And then there's a couple more drawers down below that. Our mini fridge is also here, and it's a good size mini fridge that does have a freezer section in it. And then we have a microwave, and below the microwave, you'll find plates, cups, bowls, and silverware. However, there is no sink in this room with dish soap to wash those dishes. Just something to be aware of. You've got your in-room phone here, as well as a menu for ordering room service. Our TV up here on the wall, pretty good size flat screen TV there. For our coffee maker, we have a Keurig in this room. We've got K-cups and little condiment kits there with sugars and creams in them. We also have wall outlets and a USB and USB-C right back there behind the bowl of K-cups. Our closet in this room is right across from our coffee maker, and it is 2 pieces. One is the door that we just opened here, where you'll find your hangers, some storage space for your luggage, little Jungle Book design on the back wall there, and your pillows for the bed that you're going to pull down here in just a minute. There's also an extra blanket in there if you need that. Then next to this door, there's a full-length mirror there. So when you close the door, you can then grab this full-length mirror and actually roll it across, revealing your ironing board and a laundry basket if you're going to use the laundry facilities down on the first floor, and then also an iron up top. Now in the main part of the room, we do have a bed in here that is a Murphy bed. This is a queen size Murphy bed. We'll pull it down in just a minute, right there back behind the couch. We have a couple little tables in here that we're gonna have to move first before we can pull that Murphy bed down though. The rug down here has the Bare Necessities quote from the song on there. And then on each side of the bed, we have a small nightstand with a little cubby, and then a wall outlet, USB and USB-C. Looks like Shere Khan is in the background on this side, and there's a tail. There's Ka. Ka's on this side. We got some Jungle Book artwork on the Murphy bed as well with Baloo, Mowgli, and Bagheera. Now to pull this bed down, we do have to move a few things out of the way. This chair, you got to make sure it is clear of the bed, so I'm just going to pull that back just a little bit. You also have to move those round cushions that are on the couch. So I'm going to grab those off and pull these little tables back because you cannot pull the bed down on top of the tables. The nice thing is these tables actually fit really well right over here in this little pocket beside the bed. So you can kind of tuck it in right there and put the pillow there out of the way. Now to pull the bed down, it's pretty simple. Just grab the handle and pull, and it will fall to about right there, and that's where it automatically catches so it doesn't come down and crush somebody. So you've got the couch folding down on top of itself right there. Just give it a little bit of a tug, and it will continue coming down the rest of the way. And you'll see we've got our queen size bed. Actual mattress here, not quite as thick as the mattresses on the regular beds here in the villas, but a very comfortable mattress overall. On the back, we've got Baloo and Mowgli taking a nap, and there is a light. You can see a little bit of a light up there that's built in. You can turn that off with the little black switch right over there. On the opposite side of the room, we do have one more area for seating. We've got a little bench here, and there's some Jungle Book artwork on the wall. Looks like some concept art maybe, or sketches. Yeah, it's definitely concept art on the left. And then before we head out onto our balcony, we do have our curtain here that has a few Jungle Book characters kind of hiding in there. I see Bagheera and Little Hathi and Baloo there. Now, we do have a balcony on this room because it is a preferred room. If you have a Duo Studio that's standard, they do not have balconies on those. Now, all these balconies face towards the pool, either this pool or the monorail pool on the other side of the building. We've got 2 chairs out here and a small table, and it's a decent sized balcony. And I really like that they have a glass railing so you can see out when you're sitting down. Nice view of the pool and splash pad down here. And that's going to conclude our tour of this Duo Studio Preferred here at the Villas at Disneyland Hotel.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And check out the channel for other room tours. We've got lots of rooms here at Disneyland, Walt Disney World, and other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.